Exercise number 1. Write a program that produces the following output. Please pause this video and begin writing your code once you have understood the question. You can unpause when you are ready to move on to the next question. Exercise number 2. Write a new program that prints the multiplication table for the number 8 in the following format. Please pause the video and start to write your code. Exercise number 3. Update the previous code to print the multiplication table for numbers 2 to 9 in the following format. Please pause the video to begin writing your code. Exercise number 4. Update number 3 to print out the multiplication table in 3 columns. Please pause the video and begin writing your code. Exercise number 5. Update number 4 to print out the multiplication table for n1 to n2, as specified by user inputs, in the following format. For example, prompt the user to enter 2 integers. Then, print out the multiplication table from the first integer to the second integer, arranged in 3 columns. Please pause the video and begin writing your code.